Are you tired of being the nice guy who always finishes last? Have you ever wondered why the more you try to please women, the less they seem to respect you? What if I told you that being nice is actually pushing women away? Today we dive deep into the hard truth of why nice guys fail and what to do instead, according to Stoic wisdom. Segment 1. The trap of being too nice. Most men are taught that if they're just nice enough, patient enough, and give a woman everything she wants, she will appreciate and love them in return. But let's be honest, does this ever work? Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." The problem with nice guys isn't kindness itself, it's their mindset. They give without boundaries, expecting something in return. And when they don't get it, they feel resentful. Segment 2. Why women reject nice guys. Women are biologically wired to be drawn to men who are strong, independent, and self-sufficient. When a man constantly seeks approval, he unknowingly signals weakness, and no woman is attracted to weakness. Think about it. When was the last time a woman fell for a guy who said, "I'll do anything for you, just tell me what you want"? Never. Because a high-value man doesn't beg for attention. He commands respect through his actions and presence. Segment 3. What to do instead. Stoic approach. So, what should you do instead? The answer lies in Stoicism, mastering control over your emotions and desires. Here's how. 1. Stop seeking approval. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." A high-value man doesn't base his worth on a woman's validation. He focuses on his purpose. 2. Set boundaries. Respect yourself enough to say no. The more you tolerate bad behavior, the less respect you'll get. A woman respects a man who has standards. 3. Be a man of purpose. When you focus on improving yourself, chasing your goals, and developing mental strength, women naturally gravitate toward you. Why? Because you exude confidence, not desperation. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Stop trying to win women over with kindness. Instead, win yourself over first. Master your emotions, set your own rules, and women will respect and admire you naturally. It's time to break free from this pattern. Let's talk about why being nice fails, and what to do instead. Segment Why Women Reject Nice Guys. Stoic wisdom teaches us that attraction isn't about bending over backwards for someone. It's about who you are at your core. Women aren't drawn to men who put them on a pedestal. They're drawn to men who have strength, purpose, and confidence. Think about it. When has a woman ever said, "I fell for him because he always agreed with me and did whatever I wanted"? Never. Because that's not attraction. That's submission. Women respect men who have standards. Women test men to see if they're strong. If you don't respect yourself, why should she? Segment The Nice Guy Mistakes That Push Women Away. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." If your thoughts are obsessed with gaining a woman's approval, you'll never have self-respect. If you need her to like you, you've already lost. Overgiving without value. Nice guys give endlessly, without any self-worth attached. But people don't appreciate things they don't have to earn. You must stop giving away your time, attention, and energy to women who don't reciprocate. Being too available. The Stoics taught us to master self-discipline. If you're always available at a woman's every call, you signal that your time isn't valuable. And if your time isn't valuable, neither are you. If you don't value your time, she won't either. Segment What to Do Instead. The Stoic Approach to Attraction. Build a life that women want to be part of. A high-value man is not desperate for attention. He is focused on his purpose. The stronger your mind, the more naturally attractive you become. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus didn't chase validation. They built their own empires. Stop chasing. Start improving. Develop self-discipline, knowledge, and purpose. Let women come to you instead of begging for attention. Set boundaries and enforce them. You cannot control how women act, but you can control what you allow. A woman will test you. If you break your own rules, she'll lose respect. But if you stand firm, you gain power. Say no to things that don't align with your values. If a woman plays games, walk away. Respect yourself enough to enforce your own rules. Master emotional control. A Stoic man is unmoved by emotions. He does not react. He responds. When a woman tries to provoke you, remain calm. Your unshakable nature makes you powerful. Never let a woman's behavior dictate your mood. Stay cool, confident, and in control at all times. Here's the ultimate Stoic truth. Stop trying to win women over. Instead, win yourself over first. The moment you stop caring about impressing women and start focusing on building yourself, they'll naturally be drawn to you. Segment: the problem with being too nice. Let's clear one thing up. There's nothing wrong with kindness, but there is a huge difference between being kind and being a people pleaser. Women don't reject niceness. They reject weakness. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." If your niceness comes from insecurity, fear of rejection, or the need for validation, you are setting yourself up for failure. Segment: why women disrespect nice guys. Let's break this down. Women crave strength, leadership, and mystery. A man who is overly nice and available signals that he has no backbone, no self-respect, and no purpose. Epictetus reminds us, it is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. If you believe that nice alone will win a woman's heart, you're ignoring the reality of attraction. Segment: the Stoic approach. Do this instead. Now, what should you do instead? The answer lies in Stoic masculinity, a combination of emotional control, purpose, and high value. Step 1. Prioritize you or self. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Stop centering your world around women. Build your body, your mind, and your finances first. Women don't respect a man who doesn't respect himself. Stop is eekating ap guarovale. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Don't agree just to be liked. Speak your mind. Stand firm in your values. Women admire men who have opinions, standards, and courage. Step 3. Bcomthe rise. Epictetus taught, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Instead of chasing women, build a life so strong that women chase you. Be the man with options, purpose, and mystery. Segment: the final truth, the power of indifference. Women respect the man who respects himself enough to walk away. The power of indifference is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Master yourself, and you'll never have to win a woman over. She will come to you naturally." If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment Stoic Power if you're ready to level up your mindset. Remember, be a Stoic king, not a desperate pawn. Women are drawn to men who create emotional highs and lows, not those who try to keep everything safe and pleasant.